Hello and welcome to part 2 of our Skyprincess 7-night cruise to the Norwegian Fjords in April 2022. In this episode we try our hand at trivia, try to get a cup of coffee from the International Cafe, we have lunch at Alfredo's and then enjoy a celebration night on board. So we've just had a really nice breakfast in the Estrel restaurant. Something like that anyway, began with E, that's good enough. And now we've come to the Vista Lounge for, ta-da! It's the Trivia Challenge. Not doing very well. That's before the answers come out because we haven't answered it very well and we haven't been drinking either.
The second largest city on the coast of the Black Sea after Istanbul.
So we've just done the trivia quiz and we got 14 out of 20. It's quite good for us, wasn't it, Lindsay?
And in the evening there's going to be some musical quizzes.
What do you think, Lindsay?
Of trivia.
Very good.
Alright,
let's wait and see how many you won.
Or like do something. Going once, going twice.
So we didn't do too bad. Because the winners got 17 and we ended up with 14. So we're queuing at the International Cafe, which is absolutely rammed. Just trying to get a cup of coffee before we go up and have a go at golf. Unfortunately, we had to wait so long for our coffee that we went back to our cabin to finish it and we missed golf altogether. So after that we decided to go to Alfredo's for lunch. As you can see, we were very fortunate with the weather on our cruise and it was very pleasant just spending time on the balcony with a cup of coffee. Alfredo's is a complimentary dining venue on board, serving wonderful pizzas and Italian light bites. And Lindsay, what have you ordered?
It's an antipasti I'm having with meats of some sort.
And prawns?
Yeah, apparently. And then I'm having a baguette.
Oh!
Which is...
what, a pizza baguette?
Pizza baguette, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's a bit different.
And I've gone for some vegetarian antipasti stuff.
Are you going vegetarian again?
No, I'm not going vegetarian again. And I've gone for I've gone for a veal pasta dish, which apparently I pronounced reasonably well according to the waiter. But yeah, looking forward to it. We'll see what it's like. So here are some pictures of Lindsay and mine's starters. So we decided to have another glass of wine because the first one was so nice. And this will go with the main course. I don't know whether we're having a pudding yet or not. I think unlikely, but we'll wait and see because the starter was absolutely lovely. Was your starter nice?
Yes, it was very good. Yeah. So you're drinking
Pinot Grigio.
in honour of?
Well, myself. And you're drinking Prosecco in honour of
Me.
Good. The main courses soon arrived. Lindsay with her pizza baguette and myself my veal dish in a rich creamy sauce. And I did give in and had a tiramisu to finish with. And afterwards we went to Bellini's and tried a dirty banana. We spent the afternoon exploring the ship and making the most of the beautiful weather. It was soon time to get dressed and have a few drinks for celebration night.
So we're back in good spirits. Piano playing in the background, which is really nice. And we are having
a gin and tonic Ultima, and boy oh boy, it is Ultima. So on Skyprincess, we've just turned up to the loyalty party. Yes, I said party. with the captain and officer hosted and everyone gathering together in one place. Cruising is definitely getting back to normal on Princess. So we're back in again for our evening meal. Looks very nice what we've ordered.
This is Captain's welcome evening meal, and we're in the main dining room, and as you can see going down through here, there is lots of choice. I'm certainly spoilt for choice this evening. If we go over to the pasta, then you've got your mains, Princess, favourites, always there. Just real difficult choice. You're almost tempted to go round once and then go round again.
Just for a change, Lindsey's on the Prosecco, I'm on the Pinot Grigio. Very nice. And really looking forward to, what are you having? A crab, cheese and French onion soup and lamb. And I'm having a salad to start with, and then I'm going to have the what am I having? Oh, the bacon and potato chowder, and then I'm having beef medallions for main course. I'm quite looking forward to that as well. We've got a lovely window seat here, so you can see out and see the seat still pushing on at full speed.
What have you got there?
I've got cheese and biscuits and some walnut bread, but our wonderful waiter, Puto, very kindly got me some stilton, which is not on the menu tonight, so very much appreciated.
Oh, bless. And unusually I'm having creme brulee, which is pistachio flavour, and jolly nice it is too.
After dinner we went to the theatre and watched a stunning rock opera show. Unfortunately I can't show you any footage due to copyright issues, but believe you me, it's well worth a visit. And after a few more drinks it was time to head back to the cabin. Hi, so it's the end of our first full day on board, sea day today. It's been a really good day, hasn't it?
Yes, been very nice.
Yeah.
Took us a long time to get a cup of coffee this morning.
It did, 40 minutes for a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
It's something we've noticed that the bar service is a little bit lacking.
Yes.
Bit slow. But
I think they're short-handed on there.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. And a little bit of disorganisation.
Yeah. But we've had some lovely food again today. Dinner this evening was spectacular.
Yeah.
In
the main dining room.
In the main dining room.
Really good.
Yeah, really good, tasty choices.
Yeah, good choices.
Food. Really good choices. Mm-hmm. And then tonight we watched the rock opera show, which was stunning, absolutely brilliant.
If you're going on any of the Princess ships and they've got rock opera, make sure you go and get a seat and go in early. It was absolutely jam-packed, and there was a standing ovation for the cast at the end. It was really, really good. Really good show. Just spoilt by a couple of, well, more than a couple of selfish individuals. People walking out through halfway through the show, right in front of us, and also, why do you go and see a show and then talk all the way through it? I don't understand it. If you don't want to see the show, don't go. And don't spoil it for others. But I had people behind me and beside me fidgeting and talking all the way through the show, which sort of took the edge. But fantastic show, well done, Princess, really good. Well, that's it for part 2, I'm afraid. But join us soon for part 3, where there'll be some of this, maybe some of this, and quite a lot of this. If you've enjoyed this vlog and would like to see more, please hit the like button, leave some comments, and consider subscribing. It costs nothing, but really helps us continue to make more content like this. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified when new vlogs come online. You may also like to choose one of the options displayed on the screen now.